guys, good morning. So our video for today is saying goodbye because we have to go back to India. So goodbye in Nepal for now because we have some errands to do, so we will go now. But actually guys, our original plan was to go Sunday. We will go on Sunday, but there's some emergency came, so we have to go to that appointment, and it's very important.
Near the border between India and Nepal. Nepal, and we are going to Siliguri from here.
So yun guys, that's our agenda. That's why we have to go early as expected, because our plan was we will go back India by Sunday, but something changed because of some appointments we have to go. So now we are now heading to Siliguri. Now we are entered India.
Actually, we planned to go from Pashupatinagar, but there, unfortunately, there was no immigration office, both sides from Nepal and India. So
anyway, guys, disclaimer to our face, because our face right now
we are too much tired because of the reconstruction of the road. Nepal, it was very bumpy roads, too much exhausted. Immigration office is in Kakrabita, both sides in Nepal and India. So you guys can come here in Kakrabita if you want to go to Nepal from India by land, or if you are in Nepal and you want to come India, you can come through this Kakrabita. So guys, in immigration, nothing required, I think. Only passport and for the visas. How much they charge for the visas and the passport?
It depends on the days, right? It depends on the days.
Yeah.
The price of the visa in Nepal, it depends on the days that you will stay in Nepal. Anyway, if you're from India and you want to go to Nepal, better to bring Nepal money, right?
Yeah,
Nepal money. Better to bring Nepal money or either dollar, right? Dollar, US dollar. So that's it. And as of my husband said, yeah, even it's far from our location, from our house, we have to go here because the only immigration by land is only here in Kakrabita. So
yeah, that's it for today, guys.
So that's it for today. So we hope that even it's just last minute video, sudden video, we hope you learn something. We give tips something to the people who want to visit Nepal by land and came from India. So we hope we give some tips, and while we are in Nepal, we hope you enjoy our video. next video again. So,
Bye-bye.
bye.